right, so 5.3E lesson. We're looking at unit rates and proportions with markups and markdowns. Okay, mark up. Mark up. Anything that you buy at a store has been marked up so that the store makes money off of you. Okay, it's an added on amount, an added on amount. Now, a markdown is anything that you buy from a store that's on sale. It's been marked down. Okay, so the first problem, it says a used car dealership marks up the cost of the cars they buy at auctions by 75%. Draw a bar model for increasing by 75%, where the original bar model represents the original cost of the car at the auction. Okay, so if we're in 75%, I want you to think about how we can relate that to 100%. I'm hoping that you see 25% is key here. So this is 100%, the whole thing. So each of these pieces is 25%. 25%, sorry, 25%. Okay, now if we're going to mark this up 75%, aren't we going to add on 3 of these boxes? Okay, so let me get another color here. So this is 175%. Okay, so that's what a bar model would look like for that situation. Okay, part B, if 100% is the original whole, what part of the original is the new amount as a percent? Justify your answer. I actually already put the answer in there. Okay, so if each box is 25% and we started with 4 boxes, comma, adding on 3 boxes would make 175%. Use a proportion in the form percent over 100 equals part over whole to find the selling price part for a car whose original auction price whole was $1,500. Okay, so we're going to let X be the selling price. Okay, now we've got a percent over 100. Okay, well, when we have markups, guys, we add on to the 100%, whatever it is the markup is. So we added that 3 boxes, which is 75. We added 75 onto the 100. That's why this is over 100. Okay, and then we're finding the selling price for the original 1,500 wholesale price or auction price. All right, so 100x equals 1,500 times 175. That's a big number. 262,500. 262,500. We're going to divide by 100. And that leaves us with $2,625. So the selling price is $2,625. All right, this one down here, we're looking for an original price. We have a decrease of 20%. So 100% minus 20% would be 80 over 100. Now the original price is going to be down here with the 100, and the final price is up here with the 80%. Okay, so when we solve this, we would have 80x equal 5,500. Divide by 80. That comes out to be 68.75. So the original price is $68.75. This time we have an original price of $55. And if it's increased by 150%, we're going to add 150 onto 100 to get 250. So the final price goes with the 250 on the top, and the original price goes with the 100% on the bottom. Okay, so this is 100x equals, let me look and see what I got when I did that. 13750, 13,750. Divide by 100, and you get 137.50. So the final price is $137.50. Okay. Next page. At the beginning of the school year, there were 25 students in a karate class. By May, the class had increased by 20%. How many students were in the class in May? Students in May. Okay, so if it's increasing by 20%, that's what the left side's going to look like. Okay, we are trying to find the students with the increase. So 120 goes with the X up here, and then 25 students was the original with the 100. So we're going to cross multiply. Excuse me. So 100x equal, that comes out to be 3,000. Divide by 100. X equals 30. So 30 students were in the class in May. Okay, letter D. Original price $75, decreased by 74%. Find the final price. Okay, this one we don't need the X defined like we do here because this was more of a word problem. This one we can see final prices are X. Okay. All right, if we're decreasing by 74, so we're going to take 100 minus 74, which is 26 over 100. Okay, we're looking for the final price. We're looking for the price that goes with the 26, and the original goes with the 100 down here. So 100x, that comes out to be 1950 when you divide by 100. $19.50. So the final price, $19.50. Okay, a diamond dealer bought a small diamond for $84. To make money and stay competitive with the other dealers, she must turn around and sell it to the public for a 145% increase. How much would she sell this diamond at this increase? So we're looking for the final price, aren't we? Final price of diamond with increase. Final price with increase. All right, if we're increasing, we're going to add 145 to 100, so that's 245. We're looking for the final price with the increase, and the 84 is the original with the 100 down on the bottom. So that's 100x equals 245 times 84 is 20,580. When you divide by 100, you get $205.80. So the diamond will cost $205.80 with the increase. Scooch it up. All right, Martha bought a bike that had been discounted 60%. If she paid 96, what was the original price? Okay, so X equals the original price. All right, discounted. If something was discounted, we're going to subtract the 60% away from the 100. So this is going to be 40 over 100. Okay, now be very careful. 96 bucks is what she paid after it had been discounted. So 96 goes with the 40% on the top, and we're looking for the original price this time. So this is 40x equal 9,600. Divide by 40. That comes out to be 240. The original price is 240 bucks. Okay, that's how much the bike costs before it was discounted. All right, explain how you find the percent ratio, final price over original price for a percentage of increase. So you're going to take the 100% and add the increase over 100. And then over here, the decrease, you're going to take 100% and subtract the decrease over 100. Those are your formulas that we've been working with on this whole lesson so far. Okay, we've got one more to do on the back page. Hanson's bought a skateboard deck from the manufacturer for 59 bucks and then marked it up 50% to sell to its customers. For the holiday sale, they put the product on sale for 25% off. What would be the cost to the customer rounded to the cent, nearest cent, during the holiday sale? All right, so two problems in one. Okay, there's an increase that we need to find a new price on, and then we have to take that new price and then decrease it. Okay, so we're looking for, let's let X be cost after markup. So if we're marking it up 50%, this is going to be 150 over 100. X is what we're trying to find over, it was 59. So the $59 is the original 100%. We're looking for how much it would be if we added 50% to it. So there's 100x equals 88.50. Divide by 100. X equals $88.50. Okay, so this is how much it would be. This is how much it would be when it's marked up, not on sale to us. This is how much Hanson's would sell it to us before they discount it for the sale, for the holiday sale. Okay, now let's let Y be the cost after holiday sale. All right, so it's 25% off. So we're going to subtract that from 100. So 75 over 100 equals, now the 88.50 is the original price. And now we're looking for what 75% of it is. We're looking for what 75% of it is. So 100Y equals, let me tell you what that gross number is. 6637.5 divided by 100. Y equals 66.375. Okay, now this rounded to the nearest cent, let me push it up. This rounded to the nearest cent would be $66.38. So the cost to the nearest cent would be $66.38 after the increase and the sale. Okie doke, guys. Bye-bye.